Hi, my name is Lakshya Singhal and I'm one of the many happy clients of Chandra Clinic. So I got myself operated for the hair transplant surgery on December 10th and it's been roughly 5 months and I'm really happy with the results. Once I lost all my the confidence like to involve myself in the society. Like I stopped clicking photographs and uploading things on Instagram, sharing with my friends like for more than 4 years. But after I got myself operated and received a good skincare, then I can like feel that confidence within me again. And there's nothing more like if you're going through anything in your life, if you're like looking good, you're feeling good, then you can do it with grace. I believe in that. And now I have that confidence again, the confidence a man has while like approaching or speaking to a woman. So that's whole a lot of a different thing. And I think like people hearing me out, they know what I'm like speaking about. So yeah, and even though post surgery, the whole staff, including Mrs. Chandran, they were like all so much. They are so cooperating. I never felt even in that ounce of like hostility, and I never felt alone after the surgery. They entertained me whenever I had doubts, and even they prompted for visits to clear out doubts for follow-up visits, and that's all I can ask for from a surgeon or some like medical facility. Thank you.